Fenugreek really does stimulate hair growth. Hello everyone! For a whole week, I ate fenugreek seeds every day, drank fenugreek infusions in various forms, and applied fenugreek water to my hair roots. It was a very interesting and healthy experiment. In this video, I'll show you how to make fenugreek water, share 7 recipes for fenugreek tea, and also tell you how much my hair grew after a week of applying it. If you're interested, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. To prepare fenugreek water and to soften the fenugreek, you need to soak it. I take 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek, add 200 milliliters of water, cover it with a lid and leave it to infuse overnight. In the morning, the water turned yellow. It absorbed the beneficial substances from the fenugreek, and the fenugreek itself became soft. I strain it using a sieve. I pour part of the water into a spray bottle. This is a tonic for hair growth. Step 1. I eat 1 teaspoon of softened fenugreek seeds. I chew them thoroughly. It's not very tasty, but overall it's fine for me. I give it a 5 out of 10. Fenugreek is very beneficial for the cardiovascular system. Fenugreek seeds contain phytosterols and polyunsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol levels and raise the good cholesterol. Fenugreek protects blood vessels from damage and atherosclerosis. The potassium in fenugreek helps relax blood vessels, which helps lower blood pressure and reduce the strain on the heart. Magnesium improves blood circulation, reducing the risk of hypertension and supporting vascular health. I swallow the seeds, then pour the remaining fenugreek water into a cup. Add hot water from the kettle and a teaspoon of honey. I stir it and drink it. This tea is very tasty and healthy. It also reduces bad cholesterol levels and lowers blood pressure. Now I apply the tonic to my scalp. I do this along the partings. Fenugreek tonic stimulates blood circulation in the scalp and strengthens hair follicles, which promotes active hair growth. In addition, fenugreek contains protein and nicotinic acid. These help prevent hair loss and improve hair structure. After applying, I gently massage my scalp to help distribute the tonic better. You don't need to rinse off the tonic. I'm preparing a new batch of fenugreek for tomorrow. I'll let it infuse overnight. See you tomorrow. The night has passed. My fenugreek has finished infusing. I'm straining the healing water. Today I'm going to make fenugreek tea with lemon balm. I add a bit of lemon balm to the teapot and pour in hot water. I let it steep for 5 minutes. I pour the fenugreek water into a mug and top it up with the lemon balm infusion. I add a teaspoon of honey. First, I eat a teaspoon of soaked fenugreek. Fenugreek has strong antioxidant properties that help strengthen the body's immune system. The plant's seeds contain B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, which help boost the body's defenses. Regular consumption of fenugreek stimulates antibody production, improving overall immunity and reducing the risk of illness. After eating the seeds, drink a whole mug of tea made from fenugreek and lemon balm. It's a very pleasant tea. Combined with lemon balm and honey, this tea has a calming effect and can be enjoyed in the evening. After such tea, your nervous system will be ready for a good night's sleep. Step 3. I apply fenugreek water to my hair. I still have some water left from the first day. I apply it to my entire scalp. After applying, I give myself a gentle massage. I distribute the infusion. I've soaked a new batch of fenugreek. See you tomorrow. In the morning, I strain the infusion. Today, I'm going to make aromatic pine tea. I put a few pine needles in the teapot. I pour boiling water over them. I let it steep for 10 minutes. I pour the pine tea into a cup, then add the fenugreek water, and finally add half a teaspoon of pine pollen. I collected it in the spring. You can also add a spoonful of honey. I start chewing a spoonful of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek fibers slow down glucose absorption. Digestion improves insulin sensitivity. The seeds are often used for type 2 diabetes. Then I drink the tea. This kind of tea made from fenugreek and pine is very beneficial for joint health. It contains substances with anti-inflammatory properties. And of course, this tea is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that strengthen the immune system and help protect the body from viruses and infections. Then I apply fenugreek water to the roots of my hair. I soak some fenugreek for tomorrow and will continue my experiment. Day 4. I strain it. I'm running out of hair growth water, so I pour more fenugreek infusion into the bottle. Today I'm going to make a soothing tea with chamomile. I brew a bag of chamomile and let it steep for 5 minutes. I add fenugreek water and a spoonful of honey. I eat fenugreek and then wash it down with delicious tea. Digestion in fenugreek helps reduce PMS symptoms, especially during pauses, and also strengthens bones. And vitamin B9 is involved in the synthesis and metabolism of certain hormones. This can help normalize hormonal balance. I apply fenugreek water to my scalp. I'll continue the experiment tomorrow. It's the 5th day of my experiment. Today I'm going to make a very pleasant spiced tea to boost my mood and strengthen my immune system. I add sliced orange to the teapot. Then I add 1 tablespoon of mulled wine spice mix. I pour in boiling water and let it steep for 5 minutes. I pour half a mug, then top it up with fenugreek water. I eat the soaked seeds. I drink a mug of tea. By the way, fenugreek is good for the thyroid gland. The folic acid in it has a positive effect on thyroid function, which is important for overall metabolism and energy regulation. Then I apply fenugreek water to my hair roots. Day 6. Today I'm going to make tea with nettle. I put some nettle into the teapot and pour boiling water over it. I let it steep for 10 minutes. I pour it into a cup and add the fenugreek water. I eat a teaspoon of seeds and drink the tea. Tea with nettle and fenugreek boosts immunity, improves digestion, and helps cleanse the body thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Nettle tea increases hemoglobin and red blood cell levels in the blood, improves blood clotting, lowers blood sugar concentration, and normalizes the menstrual cycle. Then I apply fenugreek tonic to my hair. It's the 7th day of my experiment. Today I'm going to make an unusual tea. I put 1 tablespoon of dill seeds, 4 bay leaves, and 3 sprigs of fresh mint into a teapot. I pour boiling water over it and let it steep for 5 minutes. I pour it into a mug and dilute it with fenugreek water. I eat the seeds and then drink the whole mug of tea. This tea is great for strengthening the digestive system, reducing bloating, and easing digestion thanks to the antispasmodic properties of dill and mint. It has a calming effect on the nervous system, helping to reduce stress and improve sleep. In addition, the tea helps cleanse the body and has a mild anti-inflammatory effect, supporting overall immunity. I apply the tonic to the roots of my hair. For 7 days, I applied the decoction to my scalp. I'm measuring my hair. It was 97 centimeters, now it's 98 centimeters. My hair grew by 1 centimeter. That's an excellent result. In a month, your hair will grow by 3 or 4 centimeters. I have a great feeling from taking fenugreek seeds internally. My digestion has improved. The seeds are excellent for cleansing the intestines. They also reduce appetite. My stomach has become flatter thanks to the seeds and tea. That's great. It was a wonderful week of self-care. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel.